because the firewall is working in the layer 3 environment. So we need to enable the routing as well. We will be doing OSPF and static routes as well. So with the static routing point of view, this is the firewall can support 3 types of static routes, 3 types of routing: directly connected, static routes, and default routes. So these are the 3 static route it can convert. Sorry, these are not static, but these are the like directly connected routed. This is not static. You can configure static route. You can configure default route as well on the firewall. And directly connected routes, the directly connected route is automatically configured. Once you assign the IP address to the device, to any interface, it creates the directly connected route, normal static route and default route. A static route configuration, the ASA is like telling the appliances to send a packet to the specific network, give it to the router default gateway. Okay, so this is the command. In Cisco, we use IP route. In ASA, we're using route and interface name, destination network, mask, and gateway. Clear? So in Cisco router, in the Cisco router, we just say IP route, network, subnet mask, and the next stop IP. So the difference is the same thing, but the only difference is if you look at this, we have configured all the interfaces. We have assigned the name as well. So all the configuration now onward, you will be doing based on the names. Okay, you see everybody has a name. Every interface has a name. So look at this. That's why you can see all the interfaces. It has a name associated inside, outside. Yeah. Okay. You can see, for example, in this interface, E021, I have a name outside 21. Okay. Based on the topology diagram, you will be creating the static routes yourself. Okay, that's a command. You can also configure default route, for example, route outside, the name of the interface. So this is the name of the interface. Okay.
So do you have to configure the name of the interface before configuring that?
That's
right?
already configured. That's already configured for you on all the interfaces. You have your specific name, and that specific name is as per our spreadsheet. Look at this. That's the spreadsheet you can see. Okay, DMZ 21, inside 21, outside 20, out 21. So these are the name already assigned to it. Why is it so? If you look at the diagrams, if you look at the topology diagram, as of now, you can only configure you can only reach to the directly connected interface. If the router is a layer 3 device, if you try to reach to 20.20.21.1, for example, right now, you can see it is no route. Show route does not have any 20 routes here. 2020 network, it doesn't have. Also, if I want to reach to 100.121.1, I cannot reach as well. You can see I do not have any route. Okay. So I don't have any route for the DMZ side. DMZ, I have some server here. Outside, I have a server here. For internet side, we need a default route. So as of now, there is no routing configure. These are the interfaces. These are all directly connected. If I do show route static, you can see I do not have anything. Okay, that's why for the layer 3 perspective, we cannot reach to any device until we have a route back to it. Okay. For example, you can route inside with the subnet mask, and next hop IP, and you can try to ping that as well. From the OSPF, we can Cisco support the OSPF feature as well, support the intra and inter area and external types as well, support virtual link as well, authentication as well, support configure the ASA as a designated router area. Okay, support for stub area and not so stubby area. So OSPF configuration point of view, very simple, router OSPF process. Enable the process. Once you enable the process, network command, and you advertise the network you want to advertise, IP network address to advertise in the OSPF. From the dashboard point of view, you can also do the dashboard. Okay, from the Cisco ASA, we can go to the configuration, and you can see this is a routing here, static routes. So you can configure from there, from the command line, or you can configure from static route. Just add a route here. Okay. I will show you both. So as per my topology, how many static routes I need? Let me just open the diagram for the static routes. So this is the diagram number 3, static routes. So I need to run, maybe advertise this 10.1.21.240. Okay. So this point of view, I need to, so this, the OSPF is already configured here, and also OSPF is also configured here. So once you advertise the OSPF on this network and this network, this PC can talk to this server straight away. Okay.